Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 7 for the STL March 2023 Patreon. Good for proxies for Warhammer 40k or Age of Sigmar, D&D figures, anime figurines, and or Marvel or DC figures as well. So we are going to be looking at Sorrel Gates miniatures. Don't forget to check our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy as well. This is another good proxy for your Warhammer. Looks like it's Chaos themed this time. This is a Zoltan one. Yep, this is that's a Zoltan one we can do for March. Loyalty is the Dreadnoughts from 30k. I don't have that much in, but I want to see all of the other ones. Why do you have a freaking paywall for March? So looks like this will be the top ones for March for the Chaos faction for it. So that'll be pretty cool. Warp miniatures. We have, I forgot what these things call. I remember they can convert anything into a god just with that, with a big group of them. Fisherman Horde. Your hands. I will probably get this because I have use for them in my game. They're very good starter set. I already got the swarm for them. 3D Molgi, also good anime figures as well. If they have anything release out. Take now. Okay, I'll take that now. So we have the birds. We have that. That's for March. And we have the rabbit one as well. Oh, there you go. I'll look at that later and download it. Station Forge, another good proxy for Warhammer 40k. We looks like we got Nurgle proxies right here. I don't have the codex, so I don't know how accurate these things are. Let me know how accurate they are, and we'll see how they go. But I'm going to print them anyways because I got my unclean one 3D printed. And you have orc infantry. It looks pretty damn cool. And we have some kind of Imperial with jetpacks in it. I'm still new to 40k and Age of Sigmar. I'm still learning as I go. But this looks pretty damn cool for a proxy if you need jetpacks. And National Guard Royal for you guys as well if you're doing the Imperials. And the Socrates Reinforcement. And you have your ship with tanks for the orcs and the goblinoids. The Grim Guard Sister of War. Another Imperials. Good to have. That's for February. I don't know if they're fully done yet with theirs. DM Stash, another D&D mini figures as well. Darkest Stuff. I'm guessing they're more into the Underdark territory. Don't really know. Looks like some kind of a temple run. So you have a Siren, a Cleric of Tears bust. Tears is a god from Greyhawk. Goggin, Siren bust. And there's your true form of your Siren. You have your Eldroxaurus Rex, Eltronthu, Corrupted Leviathan, the Bloodletter Buccaneer, Fishfolk Abomination, Wavebreaker, the Catfolk Corsair, Clam Mimic. That will be very, very scary to use. Baskassar. Let's see what they have. This also comes in NSFT format as well. Looks like Cult of Fertility. So probably nature, more nature theme like centaur, satyrs, and elves, I believe. Don't get too close to them. You're gonna make a baby with them. They're gonna crush your pelvis. Yeah, there you go. Next one is my 3D print. I need in Pandaria for they do a lot of World of Warcraft prints. Yeah, a lot of Pandaria stuff. I thought Pandaria was okay. It wasn't the best expansion that I know of. Playing World of Warcraft, but it's something. I do want to do a World of Warcraft style D&D, but not everyone here plays World of Warcraft. They both play Final Fantasy 14. I tried getting into it. It's just I can't get back to WoW anyways. It just got too repetitive over time, so it just became a point that I don't want to play that as much anymore. But this looks like a very good figure for Pandaria. First, I got paint all the stuff that I have now, then print some more later. Uh, Bill recycling on. Will resume on May 31st. Okay. I don't think they have anything for March, is it? This is the March one. So we got I think we already got all of these, didn't we? Yeah, we got the Witchblade over here as well. So that's gonna be for March. Ronin Arts. We already done this. Nope. There we go. Raw. March. Your pinup. And your 4 figures that you can use for your game. 3D Moon that are good anime figures as well. They're doing female Terry. Looks like they're doing female Terry Bogard. So we got Laura Croft. And we got Yuna too for March. So I got Laura and Yuna for March. STL miniatures. I think these are the clown and the ice ones that we just did not that long ago. So the clowns. And they have a lot of minis, miniatures, and stuff I need to print for Ashley. That'll be pretty cool. And you have the ice spiders as well. Very good to have if you need a lot of NPC for the Feywild game is that you're doing. Get your campaign will be good with these as well. Okay. Setting. And that'll be it for now. Well, anyhow, if you have any questions, please let me know down below. And these are the ones I buy from Cult for printing my stuff for Warhammer 40k proxies. But anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys like or don't like. And let me know what Patreon you guys may look at as well. Well, anyhow, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.